mga kabisdak. So ganina dito ta sa Hayams Beach, Lingaw. Sulit kayong travel o pagkaligo kay one of the best beach resort daw tungod sa white sand. So ayos, at least nakaadto ta. So karon mag Korean barbecue dinner. Mao ni atong tirada karon mga kabisdak. Kay before mi ni ari nagpalit ko sa Kmart o kini siya. Si tawag ni grill plate. So barato ra ni siya mga kabisdak, palitan ko ani $35 in pesos, kano na siya mga 1,200 pesos. So ako na ni siyang gablihan, so mao na ni siya karon. Sud mga kabisdak, ako na nablihan ara siya kini siyang electric plug o kini siya mismo. And gaan ra kay siya, no? Gaan ra kayo. Ani, marag isaksak ra ni siya dire, di kurente, saksak ra nimo dire. Then mara siya, i-adjust ra ang i-adjust ra nimo unsa ka initon. Barbecue ra dinga dire. Korean kunuhay. So testingan tani karon kay mahal man mo ka sa gawas, so himot taga to ang kuan mga kabisdak. Korean nga dinner style, di ba? Ayos kayo. Nakanindot ani mga kabisdak kay gaan ra gid siya, no? Na siya ibuslot, sumuto ra diri ang mga sauce. Pwede ra nimo limpyuhan ni kauman. Madala-dala ra siya kung mag-camping mo or mag-road trip. Alright mga kabisdak, so karon mag-set up na ta sa to ang fake nga Korean barbecue dinner. So man ato ang i-barbecue mga kabisdak natay beef rissoles, beef patty, natay bulgogi beef, natay pork sausages, and natay kini the best mga kabisdak, barbecue kebab chicken. Excited ko ani. Alright mga kabisdak, natin barbecue, atong beef pata, sausages, at atong bulgogi beef. Mga itong set up. We're going to cook.
This one.
Right.
I found it.
Okay, found it. Good job. Alright. Get another one. This for Mama and Daddy. And Gian will have some juice. We're going to do some cheers. So cheers. We're going to cook. Alright.
Daddy, on the put that.
Okay. Which one you want? And this one, you want this one first?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Give Daddy the other one. You have the big one.
That is.
Good job. Now I'm going to cook some. That one.
Ow.
And I'm going to put two barbecue. Two chicken barbecue. And very good. Put here. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. This one.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, that's one. Beef. Okay. Alright. Good job. Good job. Oh, this one. Our chef Gian is cooking.
Cheers.
Cooking. Where's Gian's juice? Cheers. Get some Gian's juice and then we'll do some cheers. Our chef Gian is cooking. Okay. Alright. Okay, now it's not cooked yet. You need to cook more. Put it back. Okay, that's good.
First here. Yeah, we're gonna prepare the cake.
On the food together.
Okay.
On the fridge. Thank you, Daddy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, there's a cake. There's a yummy cake. Is that for me?
Yeah.
For Dad.
Okay.
Not there.
Thank you, Gian. Thank you.
And the put it.
Not to put
And we have an egg for Gian. There's an egg for
here,
Gian.
like that.
We have a burger. We have an egg for Gian.
What is that?
And blow, okay?
Ready,
Wait,
blow.
happy birthday sing first.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Blow.
Oh, you kiss Daddy. You kiss Daddy because it's Daddy.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Yes, juice.
How are your juice? Here, cheers. Cheers. Cheers, Daddy.
Oh, no, your egg.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Mama will get the...
Thank you.
Mama will slice the cake.
No! Oh no, the cake!
Is this the candle? Alright? Alright mga kabisdak, so mo ano yung ato ang fake barbecue Korean dinner.
And
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Alright,
yan.
alright. Okay, we'll do the slice.
Slice. Murag kasal.
Like that, na na?
Okay.
Okay.
Slice. Di, ipato nga. Nga na.
I'm so fast!
You're so fast. Okay.
And that's for
Alright.
Gian.
Thank you, Gian. Did you buy this for Daddy?
Now I bought it!
Ah, you bought it. Alright, okay.
I bought it.
You blow. Yeah, I saw you blow very fast. Okay, and Daddy's cooking a barbecue. Look at our barbecue.
Wait a minute.
By glue, where?
Wow!
Here I am.
Ikaw din.
How do you do?
Gitna ka.
Aray sa mata na tayo.
On the egg. Egg, eat it. I want to eat the egg.
How about the cake?
Have an egg.
I want to try. So I want to show them. The. I'm excited to try this one. Ganahan.
I don't like that. I don't like that. I want
Kini siya mga kabisdak. Wani gitawag og
the coming.
bulgogi barbecue. Look, beef. Bulgogi beef. Naman itong rice. Mga kabisdak, mga niya ang bulgogi beef. Ah,
Nag-selfie na ba ta? Wala pa maka-selfie. Selfie sa tabi. Ba't ka selfie sa imong birthday?
You don't like it?
I don't like it. Only Jen. Okay, Solvi, take a picture.
Ay, di. Para makita ko.
Oh, look, mama. Hi.
Jen.
Hi.
Ito ang beef burger patty mga kabisdak. Ito ang barbecue chicken, ang beef bulgogi, ug ang pork sausage. Diri mga kabisdak, kung mukaon ka og mo og kanang Korean nga barbecue restaurant, mahal kayo. Usually sa akong mga katrabaho, uso na nila kay wala lagi char ba. Kasagaran mabayaran na mo taga-kaon $200 to $300, so 10,000 pesos, pero i-share na namo. Pero dako gihapon. Mo nang
no? Kasagaran, no?
mahog nga tag i-share niya na po may kabuk na ngaon sa office, kasagaran tag $10 taga isa. Dako gihapon $30 mga 1,200 o 1,500 pesos na nahapit. So at least kini ayos kayo. Palitin mo karne, then himo-himo.
Nagamay pa jug mga karni. Makauno.
Maya, kung sa Korean restaurant mo mga on, gamay rin mo makaon nga karne. Kaya siyempre, maikog mo ka, maubo. Ay mo mga kaban, mga
You want the
gatoon.
pork?
Ato si Nani, daghan kay karne, abundant karne.
Makapatuyang.
Solid kayo ang kining grill na among napalit.
Spider.
Yeah. Are you not scared of spider?
I couldn't get it.
No, I'm scared. Mauna lang yung nabilin mga kabisdak sa tuang barbecue dinner. So ako ang review or feedback about kining nga grill plate. Sulit kayo, ayos kayo kay pareha ra gyud siya luto kung mukaon mo og restaurant Korean. Siguro mas nindot dito kay ang uban charcoal mo gigamiton pero dili ra sad layo og kuan, dili ra layo og biyang lami. So, pwede mo palit na lang mo sa kung namo yun ani, mo palit na lang mo og meat barbecue sa Korean barbecue na restaurant kay na may baligya po kanang raw sa meat shop. Pwede hilaw nya sa balay na lang ninyo lutuon. Then mao na siya mga kabistag, busog kayo sa kadakron tiyan. And I wine, so see you sa next vlog and salamat.